Hello ladies and gentlemen, I posted a video on YouTube a while ago unboxing the Twisty Ride phone case, which I thought was a great piece of kit. I'm always looking for good pieces of kit to put on my motorbike, to use with my motorbike when I'm out and about travelling. I'm going off on a trip hopefully next year doing the northern Norway route around the Nordkapp, so I was looking for a really good tent to take with me. I had a good tent, but I don't think it just took too long to put up. I've seen another one advertised, so I've gone and bought one. It's a Khyam Biker Plus. Because I'm a big guy, you'll see me when I get into full frame, I need a decent sized tent. But I also want one that puts up nice and quick and easy, modular. I'm not going to get wet, but equally that I've got enough place to put all of my motorcycle luggage and my clothing if it gets wet. So I'm going to start unboxing the Khyam Biker Plus. Well, that's it, the tent's up. 8.5 minutes. That's from unboxing. So I don't think that's too bad at all. It'll take me a lot less once I get used to doing it. And once I've pegged it all out and everything else, I'll come back and I'll give you another idea of what I think of the tent. So far, the impression's good. Okay, the Khyam Biker Plus tent. I showed you the video with me putting this tent up for the very first time. So this is the first weekend I've had a chance to use it in anger, and I must say I'm really rather impressed. The tent is easily big enough for 2 people to live in. We travelled down to Spa in Belgium, and it's just me staying in this one. My mate's got his own tent. It's a little tiny one-man tent that he's got over the other side of here. Bike's set up there, and last night we had torrential rain. I mean, it was bucketing it down. Completely dry, safe. The tent didn't move at all. Really good. I've got this set with the main front door open there. It comes with these supplied poles and guy ropes, so you can set it up like that. It doesn't come with the horrible yellow flag, but when you're travelling with a Scotsman, that's what you've got to live with. Okay, so on a bike, would you rather live with this or with this? I know where I'd rather live, and that's where we are. So I've got this set up just for myself with my bed on one side and all my baggage and my motorcycle clothing on the other side, cooking stuff and my bags that I use for going out on one side here, and my panniers on this side. The white wire you see trailing up is an LED light strip that I bought quite a while back now. You can buy one from Khyam, which is designed to go in this little strip here. I'm not sure what the price is, but I'm pretty sure this one's a little bit cheaper, and I had it, so that's what I've got. Little camping stool there as well. Plenty of storage in this tent. You've got pockets down each side of the door, and then pockets inside, one on each side of the bed there. Because it's just me, I haven't bothered putting things in the pockets. I just chuck them on the floor because I can. Comes with a footprint, or you can buy the footprint, which I did for this one. Just helps protect the bottom of the main tent itself. The footprint pegs down quite well. You've got these straps here which are attached to the tent, which keep it in form. You can peg those down if you want. I didn't feel that I needed to. The tent is very, very comfy. As I said, there's plenty of room for me to stand up in here at 6'4". Up in the top of the vent there's a hanging point, so you can put a lantern if you want to. What can I say? Can't fault it. This main door on the sleeping compartment, there is a net piece if you want it, or there's the solid piece which I've got rolled up out of the way. All works very well. If there's a downside to this tent at all, it's the way it packs down. It's not the smallest tent in the world to pack down, but you've got a big tent for moving around in. So it's a trade-off, one against the other. It's not a lot heavier than my old Vango Stelvio, which was a good tent, but it took quite a long time to put up, and that's why I got this one. So Khyam Biker Plus tent gets a big thumbs up from me. I'm not going to trade it in. I'm going to keep using it. Recommend it. Hope you get one. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do.